Hello, today we are going to learn about Arabic diacritical marks. Arabic diacritical marks, there are so many of them in the Arabic language, but today we are going to focus on the most important ones for beginners. Arabic diacritical marks in Arabic they are called حركات or تشكيل. تشكيل literally means forming, and they are called تشكيل because they help you form the pronunciation of the word. What are we going to talk about in this video? We will have a brief introduction about what are the Arabic diacritical marks, and we are going to discuss every one of them, and we will have a summary in the end. So what are they? Arabic diacritical marks are little marks put above or below each letter in Arabic language to help us know how to pronounce or read this word. Actually, they were invented in the first place for foreigners to help them know how to pronounce Arabic words. So it doesn't matter if you know this word or not. It doesn't matter if you know the meaning of this word. If you know your diacritical marks and you are able to recognize them, you will be able to pronounce this Arabic word regardless of anything. So, in this video, we are going to discuss only the most important for diacritical marks for beginners. The first one called Fatha. 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 Fatha literally means opening. Fatha literally means opening. And it's a little dash, as we see here, it's a little dash. It's a drawing above the letter, so it's a little diagonal line or dash placed above the letter. If we find this little line above the letter, it means we will pronounce this letter with a sound, For example, here it's above the letter ba, so that means we will pronounce it like ba. And that's why it's called fatha, opening, because we open our mouth to pronounce it. So it's ba. Second one is Kasra. Kasra is so similar to Fatha. It's also a little diagonal dash, but this time it's put under or below the letter. And it gives us this E sound. It literally means breaking, and it's called breaking because we break the letter with it, because it produces the E sound. So in this example here, when it's put under the ba, we will pronounce it like B. Okay, so this is Kasra. Third one is Lama. Lama is like a little comma, and it's also put above the letter, and it produces the oo sound. So for example here, if we find it above ba or any other letter, it means it will give us the oo sound. Here it will give us the boo sound. It will be read as boo. Dhamma literally means to hug, or hugging, or getting something close to another thing. And it's called Dhamma because we bring our lips together to produce this sound, to produce the U sound. So this is why it's called Dhamma. It's like your lips are coming together or hugging each other to produce the Dhamma. Fourth one is called Shada. Shada. Shada literally means stress or emphasis, and it's called Shada or stress because it makes you like put a stress on the letter. It means it makes the letter doubled. It's like a little W put above the letter, and when you see it, it means you will pronounce this letter twice. So if it's above the ba, it means the ba will be pronounced 2 times, not only 1 time. For example, here we have 2 words. The 2 words are the same letters, same everything. The only difference is that in the right one has only Fatha, and in the second word it has Shadda and Fatha. So how will we pronounce it? In the first one it's Alam, Alam. In the second one we will put stress on the L sound, so it will be Allama, Allama. So just with Shadda we made a totally different word. The first one has a meaning and the second one has another meaning. So Shadda and diacritical marks are very important. So again, the second letter here, the Lam, it's pronounced like L. With just Fatha, it's Alam, Alam. But with Shadda, it's Allama, Allama. So we put stress on it. Also note that put Fatha on the Shadda, like you can put Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra on the Shadda to know how to pronounce the doubled letter, because if you only have Shadda, okay, you know you will double this letter, but how will you pronounce this doubled letter? So you have to put Fatha or Kasra or Dhamma to know how to pronounce the doubled letter. In the end, you have to remember that they are just short vowels, not long vowels. The long vowels are the letters themselves. They are just short vowels, okay? We have 4 Arabic diacritical marks. The first one here on the right is Fatha, and it's a little dash put above the letter and it produces the A sound, so this is Ba. And the second one is similar, but it's put under the letter and it produces the E sound, so this is B. The third one is like a little comma put above the letter and it produces the U sound, so this is Bu. The fourth one is like a little W put above the letter and it makes it doubled. So all of them are above except for the Kasra, which is written below the letter. So this is was all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below.